Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be discussing about the stocks for tomorrow. Plus, we will be doing some analysis on broader market and this is which is nifty. So let's get started. Wasn't able to post the video yesterday due to some busy schedule. So apologies for that. So let's begin our analysis. As you would have already seen my previous videos, I already told that this is what I am expecting, and maybe from here we may see some correction. So I would like to show something which has already been replicated some time back. If you closely see the chart patterns here, so you will see we had I structured exactly like this here: 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and then we had a rally up. Now there we are getting some kind of similar structure. If you see 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and then this was the first pullback. Here it was the first pullback. Then we got some deep correction here. I'm expecting the same here as well. It may or may not materialize. It does not have any significance, but these are the psychologies of traders, investors, which are being getting repeated over and over. So that's why we get these scenarios helpful in technical analysis. So just wanted to show, because as I keep on trading, I you know have in mind that what exactly has happened. So I just wanted to share. So if we are done with this up move to the upside from here, I'll show it. Maybe we might be looking for this previous structure somewhere around here to get retested. So the possibility cannot be ruled out, because if we compare with the other global markets counterparts, we are practically holding in a better way. So this is what I am expecting, that we may see some upside is still remaining on the bourses. So as we have seen today on price action front, there was nothing much happening. It opened gap up, and from there I just had a very easy trade. As you can see, anybody would have got that trade, and it was a simple trade. After this, when I saw that there is a very small setup being getting formed, I opened a long position at 61.8 and covered my position around 127.2. So this is a very easy trade, only one trade. As I saw that price action is getting too much retracement. Retracement means the way it moved up, then again it moved down, waves moved up. I mean, it was not a price action which was jumping with bulls like this. So it was having some kind of retracement. That means the confidence of bulls was not on the buy side. So I just had a scalp trade with my money management system, which is obviously in the trading 618 system videos. You can get and see that. After that, I was expecting that since the bulls are losing the momentum, we will be having a pullback, which was very easy to predict, or very easy to visualize. As soon as we broke this structure to the downside, there would have been a very easy trade going forward. If you see, this swing would have given a good opportunity, or if you are not able to capitalize on the particular swing. Okay, this exactly went to this is a futures chart of 3 minute, and it exactly went to 61.8 retracement after breaking this structure. After that, it went directly in 2 3 candles, and it was able to get the target. If you are not able to take that this trade, you had another opportunity here with this swing. If you see, it again went to 61.8. Even in fact, it went way beyond 61.8, but did not get the stop loss, and it was able to hit the target again. So these were interesting trades, but on my front, I was able to get only one scalp trade. So what should we be expecting next going forward? As you can see, our tradable swing is this. and it was not able to break past below this. So we have already started getting movement to the upside. It may, if it sustains on the opening tomorrow, or if it is having some losing momentum of seller, then we'll be opening a buy position here. Long positions are still valid, and only if there is a significant down move or breaking these structure, then only we'll be looking for, or one should look for shorts. Otherwise, longs are still valid. All right, so let's look at the stocks and setups. Federal Bank, as we have seen, there was a retracement in the indices. So we got the retracement in the stocks as well. So this is kind of a topping pattern. It may or may not top out. That is another thing. But it is kind of a topping pattern, and we'll be looking for sell entries tomorrow. And if it breaks this 61.8 very convincingly, then we won't be entering into short position. Rather, we should sit outside of this stock and wait to break out this structure. So if it comes around 132.85, we should be looking for a sell position. SL will be above this 134.215, and target subsequent will be 129.85. Another one is Spy Industries. I have chosen this smaller swing which was from today. If the swing has been completed here, then we will be entering around 3139.45, keeping the stop loss around 3129.45. The stop loss will be 3119. Sorry, it should be 3190. Just below this swing, that is very clear strategy. And target will be 3186.65. So this is, once this stock or any stock is going into uptrend, as I told, if you see my previous video, once this structure was broken to the upside, I told that this stock is moving into new trend, which will be uptrend. And since then, it has been able to move continuously up. So if you are trading, say, swing or positional for shorter term, if if somebody would have brought somewhere around here after breaking of this structure and opening the position somewhere around here, then the strategy should be trailing just below the subsequent lows here, 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 and here. And if it breaks this structure, we'll be moving the stop loss here. So this can be also used in a trend following strategy as well. So there are multiple variations of trading 6-1 system. If you get a system or an entry in a stock when the stock is just getting into a new trend, then obviously it will be giving some deep pullbacks. In that deep pullback, you can enter at discount prices, and once it gathers momentum, you see here it is gathering momentum. Here it is becoming known to the short term traders that this is a particular stock which is making moves. So once it was not famous, you might have entered somewhere around here, and you are just enjoying the fruits. So this is the another scenario. This is RBL Bank. This is also breaking the structure to the downside. So this is fundamentally weak stock. So I'll be looking for shorts here around 129.8 and SL of 131, target of 126.95. The big guy, Asian Paints. As you see, Asian Paints has just broken this structure and made a top or made a high which is not too much far away from the previous one. That means it will be giving a deep pullback. So that's what I was expecting. It will be getting somewhere around 61.8, and it already has done the retracement. On lower time frame, if you see, it is giving the pullback to the upside. You see, this has also broken on 3-minute chart. Now it will be giving a pullback somewhere around here. So this can be a good opportunity to capitalize on trend change. It seems like for a short term, Asian Paints is moving in the new trend or starting a new trend. So entry should be somewhere around 3206.4, this area. Stop just around here, 3197.8, and target could be very, very good if you open the position here, keeping the stop loss here. So for a new swing, target could be somewhere around here, and you will be getting more than 6.5 hour of trade. Or if you are a conservative trader, you can book profit somewhere around 30 to 26 on a 50% basis, and the remaining could be left for carry over to the bigger target on the 15-minute frame. So this is somewhat 2-3 days or 4-5 days of trade, which if materializes, it will be giving a very very good risk reward. So these are the trades you capitalize and just let the stock do itself. All right, guys, this is it for current video. If you like the content, please do share with your family and friends. Please hit the bell icon so that you can be getting notified for any content which is posted to the channel. And in case you are having any query or suggestion or feedback, please do post in the comment section and be replying it back. Till then, thank you very much.